How to automatically change currencies in Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first just log into your Shopify admin and go to the apps section. Click on add apps and click on Shopify App Store. From here you simply just want to search up Bucks Currency Converter. And you should be able to find this app right here. So Bucks Currency Converter Pro++. And you simply just want to click on install and click on install one more time. So once it actually loads up, you're going to be able to pick a plan. So I'm just going to go for the free one. And now you simply just want to copy this HTML with currency. Click on copy. And we want to click on the settings tab from the bottom left. Go ahead and click on general and scroll down until you find the store defaults section. You simply just want to click on the three dots right here and change the formatting. And you simply just want to paste it in. Oh, hold on. Let me just click on that again. You just want to replace this with the one that we have just copied and click on save. And we want to do the same thing without the for the other one basically, which is without currency. So we just go back to Bucks and go back here, select this one without currency, copy it and just go back to settings and do the same step. So we can just click on general, click on the three dots, formatting and just paste it in here and click on save. Now let's just go ahead and go back to the Bucks app. So very simply just click on next. I have done this and now we all need to enable the app embed from the theme settings. So simply just go back to your online store themes and click on edit theme. And just go to the app embeds section here on the top left. Click on that and we should be able to find Bucks. Make sure you turn this on here and click on save from the top right corner. Last step here is just click on enable the app. And we are pretty much good to go. This is how to automatically change or convert currencies for your Shopify store. Very easily, very simple. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.